Hey, so this is part 3, final part of the henna journey for Light Mountain Natural Spicy Cinnamon Red Panda. And so here are just a couple shots a couple days after I did the application. Friday and today's Tuesday, so that's Saturday, Sunday, Monday. That's 3 days after I applied the henna. I think this is the finalish color. All my coworkers and friends that I asked, they said that there is a difference. And so it's hard for me to see a difference because I am red colorblind. So that doesn't mean I can't see red. It's just that sometimes reddish brownish tones just appear to be the same. So I don't see the intensity of the red, but other people do, so then I have to believe them. I only see it in I see it a couple times in like when I do my photo editing, but yeah, it is red. And so here are a couple shots of in direct sunlight, like being outside in direct sunlight. There is one inside the house with some sunlight pouring through the window and with like direct sunlight on that. And then finally what it looks like in like a shaded, when like a room is lit by natural light but there's no direct sunlight on you, what the color looks like. And honestly, I think it's a really pretty color. Spicy Cinnamon did its trick. I think it is a lot warmer. And yeah, so if you're trying out henna for the first time, this is a good experience. I only have used Light Mountain Natural. I have seen other products out there. I might try those later. And probably seen a couple things on YouTube like henna freckles, people getting freckles with henna, people doing henna tattoos. So henna has many purposes and many uses. I noticed with Light Mountain Natural they have like a black color henna, and I might try that in the far future. But I really like the warmness. I think it matches my skin tone, the warmth. Yeah, there's videos on the internet about matching skin color, because like there's warm skin tones, cool skin tones, and neutral skin tones. How to match that with hair. And so I think I'm on the more of the neutral, warmish side of skin tones. That's why I went for a warmer red. But yeah, so thanks for watching this video, part 3, which was just an update on henna hair, the final product. Stay tuned for more. I go to Canada this week for spring break, so stay tuned for that video, and I will see you guys later. Bye.